3 tips related to social media marketing. So go ahead and check it out right now. First, definitely make sure to transition your page over to a business account or a creator account so that you can look at your insights. Your insights is going to tell you a lot about who your audience is. It's going to tell you where your audience is located, what they like about your post, what posts they are feeling, and what posts they're not feeling. So definitely check into your insights, because at that point, it's going to help you figure out what you should post, when you should post, and who is looking at your posts. The second point is about your private accounts. If you're running a business, you definitely don't want your business page to be a private page. Now, if you have a private page and it's your personal page, go ahead and leave in your profile how they can get in touch with you on your business page. Make it to where it is a link that they can just tap on and they can get to you on your business page. And the way that you do a link is you actually just put the little @ symbol and then your actual username, put that in your profile, and it'll be linked. And then when they find your personal page, they can touch on it, and then they can come to your business page, and then they can interact with you as the professional business person that you are. And number 3, you want to make sure that you set your locations as many different ways as you can, because your customer is not going to assume that you are located where they are located. So when it comes to your account, you're going to set in your profile where you are located. You're going to say that I am in Atlanta, Georgia. Set it as your actual location. Then you're also going to write it in your profile that you are serving the Metro Atlanta area, or whatever area that you are serving, if you have room for it. Then another place you're going to put it is actually in your posts. In your post, you're going to set it as, tag that location, Atlanta, Georgia. Wherever it is you're located, tag it in the post. Then you're also going to put it as a hashtag in your comments. Okay, so that's 4 places. Bonus tip is, if you have a story, then also set your location in your stories as well, because Instagram uses that when it pushes things out to people. They want to give you access to the audience that is local to you, and you want to get access to the audience that's local to you, so start using your locations. All right, so that was great 3 tips. So I hope you guys please keep watching and keep following and tell your friends about it, because we're going to keep doing this every Tuesday, giving you tips to help you with your social media as well as online marketing. All right, thanks guys.